How to buy XRP Ripple on Binance Exchange. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy XRP on Binance using your phone or computer. Whether you're new to crypto or already have a Binance account, this step-by-step guide will help you purchase XRP quickly and easily. First, open your Binance application or visit the Binance website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the identity verification process before proceeding. So before buying XRP, you'll need funds in your Binance account. So you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner, and then you're going to click on add funds, and there are numerous ways to add funds. First is P2P trading, then we have as on-chain deposit, and finally deposit USD. And there are many other options as well that you can choose from. So you can select any option that is feasible for you and simply add funds in your account. You can also transfer crypto such as USDT in your Binance account if you already own cryptocurrency anywhere else. So once your funds are available, you're going to tap markets here at the bottom, and then you're going to use the search bar to search for XRP. So simply search for XRP, and here you'll be able to see numerous options such as XRP USDT, XRP USDC, or other available pairs. So for most users, you're going to go with XRP USDT because this is the most common option. Once you have opened the XRP trading pair, you're going to tap buy, and you're going to enter the amount of XRP that you want to purchase or the amount of money you'd like to spend. You can use the percentages as well, such as you can use 25% of your available balance, or like let's say 50%, 75 or 100 of your available balance for a quicker purchase. Once you have selected all of these options, you're going to double check the order details, including the amount of XRP you're buying and the total cost. Once everything looks good and if your account is verified, you'll be able to see a button here written buy XRP. Simply tap on that to complete the transaction. After the order is filled, you're going to go to Assets tab over here, and you'll be able to see your XRP balance over here. You can choose to hold it on Binance, trade it, or transfer it to any external wallet if desired. And if you're a beginner, consider starting with a small purchase while you learn how the crypto market works. Also, enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account to improve security.